today we're gonna be making a Drakylora from McDonald's. And you know, there's some stickers here, some other thing that we need for the Drakylora that I already unboxed. You know, today we're gonna be making a Drakylora, and we're gonna start with the purple lips here. The purple lips. There you go, we have the purple lips on. Now we're gonna be using some blue and pink eyes for her. And you know, all the stuff that Drakylora has can exist or be not real, but you know, just a little bit like a troll girl, you know, just a little bit. And hope you like this. And sometimes, you know, I'm kind of messed up, but no, not on this video. So here we have the Drakylora face. How pretty is it? Yeah, it's very good. Now we're gonna put on the pretty little thing on here. See how it looks? And now we're gonna be making her thingies on her ears, you know, earrings on her. It's okay if they're really bad. Just add a little bit of details like this. So now we're done for Drakylora. I hope you liked the video. Bye!